What's the meaning of chargé d'affaires? Chargé d'affaires. Chargé d'affaires.
Chargé d'affaires. Chargé d'affaires. Chargé d'affaires is a French term that refers to a temporary diplomat who is responsible for representing his or her country in another country when no ambassador is present. This individual has the same duties and responsibilities as an ambassador, but holds a lower rank and is usually appointed on a temporary basis. The role of chargé d'affaires is important in maintaining diplomatic relations between countries, and ensuring that the interests of one country are properly represented in another. Overall, the chargé d'affaires is a crucial figure in international diplomacy whenever an ambassador cannot fulfill their duties.